Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ariana Grande God is a Woman body care. So if you know me, I love Ariana Grande. I've been obsessed with her forever. Sorry, don't mind my dog, he's eating a carrot. I got this for my birthday from my friend Polo. Thank you, Polo. She knows I love Ariana Grande. I do have the big size perfume. I bought it a couple years ago. Super nice, one of my favorite scents ever. So I'm really excited to try this. This is what it looks like. It's super gorgeous packaging. And then it has hand and body cream, body scrub souffle, luxurious body oil, and then like a mini spray. So super excited to try this. This mini spray would be perfect for travel. So sometimes like body care can smell a little bit different than like the actual perfume, like just because of the ingredients. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start, just spray the perfume here. What it looks like. Just says Ariana Grande here. Oh yes, it's so good. I'm actually really glad that I have this because then I'm not gonna use my big one as much and I can just like keep it on display. And it is 0.3 fluid ounces. So next here is the luxurious body oil with nourishing antioxidants. This one's half a fluid ounce, so still good for travel. Ooh. It's like, it smells like it, but not as crazy. Just on my wrists, I guess. Ooh. Yeah, it smells just like a touch different, but you can still tell the scent. Wow. Yeah, that makes my skin feel super soft, and it's literally like I didn't even put oil on. Like, there's no grease, no residue. Okay, we can get with this, right? I love it. Good job, Ariana. I don't know if I would want to put this all over my body because it's literally so fragrant. I am a pretty like anti-fragrance person when it comes to like moisturizing. So, and I definitely wouldn't advise putting this on your face. We have the hand and body cream. And what's cute about it is the text has like the pattern behind it, like the little floral pattern. This one is also TSA approved. It's under 3 ounces, so I guess I'm just gonna put it on my hand. I'm gonna be smelling like extra God is a Woman. Was that yummy? Okay, just got like that much. Ooh, pretty good. I feel like depending on people's like pH, if that's the right thing, it smells just a little different on everybody. However, this is really nice. It's not very thick. It is kind of a thinner formula, but I like that because some lotions just really feel sticky on me. This is definitely not as thick as like a Bath & Body Works hand cream. The back of this says, enjoy a little R&R while indulging in this quick absorbing, lightweight, nourishing cream suitable for the hands and body. Has clean ingredients, 100% vegan and cruelty free. And then last but not least is this scrub souffle. First of all, this color is iconic. This purple, if you look, it's like the way that it's poured in there is like ice cream, kind of. Except I know it's aesthetically pleasing, but I really don't like that because it makes it look like there's air pockets and just like less product in there, but ooh. I don't know if it's like, because I have the fragrance literally all over my hands. I think I'm going to go wash my hands with this because I just like poured all of this stuff on there. Oh, it's like really hard. That's kind of what it looks like what it looks like on my hand. All right, I'm gonna go wash it real quick. I will say that just that tiny amount ended up being a ton of scrub, so that's really good. However, I feel like this just isn't gonna last me very long, but I could definitely use it on occasions. Oh, it's made in the USA. These are the products. I love the fragrance. I feel like I already knew what to expect because I love this fragrance very much. However, I feel like as far as the body care goes, there's nothing about this that feels like extra luxury. It kind of just feels like, I don't know, just like stuff you could probably get at Target or something. However, it's Ariana Grande and I love her and she's iconic and I'm gonna support everything she does. Right now I have on the Rim Beauty Lip Plumper and it's actually pretty good. I love this. I'm really excited to use it and kind of like keep it as a collector's. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys next time. Look at the camera. Who's that? Who is that? On the camera. Lisa, I don't know. I don't know what you mean. Nobody's here.